applause. A badge is not just a symbol, it represents honor. With great respect and gratitude, we now invite our respected team, Neelam Trivedi sir, to kindly come forward and start the cutting.
Names.
Picture 1 second.
ऊपर से
Oh, nice. Who has done? Students have done this?
Yes, sir. Students. This is the chemical equations, acid bases.
Okay. And with the lemon juice or what?
Yes, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So what?
So
Oh my God. Nice.
Down.
Down is also there.
Yes. Claps all of you.
I'll do
Second,
it.
sir.
What do we say? Hey, nice, very nice. Anything more? Yes, done?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, clean up the back.
What's your
A
name?
badge is not just a symbol, it represents the honorable and represents
Earth
the
doesn't
respect.
need us, but we absolutely need the Earth. Every breath we take and every drop we take is a gift from a planet. That is,
We now request the designated faculty member to
Start.
Earth doesn't need us, but we absolutely need the Earth. Every breath we take and every drop we take is a gift from a planet that is called destructive. We always wait for someone else to support the environment, but the truth is we are that someone. We don't need a few people doing zero waste perfectly. We need a million of us doing it imperfectly. Reduce what you buy, reuse what you have.
Jamna teacher, 1 second. Me teacher. Turn this side.
Mic is not working.
ये बात connecting. Bring mic ना. Bring mic.
These are used to remove waste products like extra fuels from the bed. When a person kidney is not worked properly, it acts as an artificial kidney. It needs to remove waste products like urea and creatinine and balance the salt minerals and control the water level in the body. When a person kidney is not working properly, hemolysis helps to clean the blood.
Showing the filtration, artificial filtration method.
Good morning, Stan. My name is Chandra. I am from 7th standard. Today I am going to tell about neuron. Neuron are the divided fundamental units of the nervous system. It causes brain, spinal cord, and neuron. It consists the cell body, nucleus, dynamic, absorb, tension. Our project is extraction of DNA from onion. This is onion.
Okay.
This is our previous day.
What is going to happen? Color will change or blast will happen?
DNA is formed. DNA will be formed. Like how we are observing, like the test tube also will be formed. We may fan up. I'm showing.
white color structure. It is a DNA.
You make few minutes, it will form like DNA. It's the artificial preparation. But we are not seeing DNA.
Conceptual
That's it, we are showing the conception.
That fog forms it.
Yes.
Middle earring.
Yeah. I could see this. What is the importance of DNA in our body?
DNA.
DNA in our body, what is the use? What is the importance?
Evolution of
What is the use of DNA?
Myself Sanna, I am from Western. Today I am explaining about DNA.
You speak now.
DNA is the structure of a human body. It is often described it has twisted shape. The scientists call it double helix. The contents of parts of the model. The sides backbone. The outer twisted ladder of the lining siblings basic and bastard. It has 4,412 urine. Thank you. Science Expo of Knowledge Resources. My name is Krishna. I am from 8th standard. My main project is about eye working model. Good morning, sir. My name is Prem from grade 8. The human eye work like camera. It helps us to see object around focusing light on the retina. The main parts of eye are cornea, iris, pupil, lens, retina and optic nerve. The eye works by the light and form an real image is called as a lens. It reflects the light on real inverted image is formed on the retina. The optic nerve sends the message to the brain and brain directs it to consider a solution for a problem. Good morning, sir. I am Meenakshi from grade 6. Today our topic is lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. The shadow of the moon falls on the earth. We cannot see the sun and this is called solar eclipse. On a new moon day, the moon lies in between the earth and the sun. Then the shadow of the moon falls on the sun. Today I am explaining about the life cycle of a silkworm. Life cycle of a silkworm consists of 4 stages. First stage is egg. This cycle begins when the silkworm lays eggs in the mulberry leaves. Second stage is larva. When the eggs crack and the larva come out and eat mulberry leaves. Third stage is pupa. The silkworm spin around its productive layer is called cocoon. Cocoon contains one silk thread. Fourth stage is silk moth. After 2 weeks, this will break and the silkworm converts into silk moth and again it restarts its life cycle. Thank you. Good morning, sir. My name is Pradhan. I am from 6th standard. Today my topic is electricity conductor and insulator. Good morning, sir. My name is Sajid. I am from 6th B. Insulator.
ఎవరైనా సార్ మధ్యలో మీకు ఏదైనా గుర్తు కావాలంటే అర్థపెట్టి నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఫాలో ఆధార్ కార్డు
Middle year A plus from grade 6. Today my topic is
బాను మీరే అవుతుందా
Good morning, sir. My name is from grade 6. Today my topic topic is PRS model. PRS model reduce, reuse, recycle is a waste management framework designed to reduce waste generation, conserve natural resources and reduce environmental pollution. It promotes consumption first followed by reusing items and finally recycling waste thereby decreasing landfill. Reduce, limiting the amount of waste generated by buying fewer items. Reuse, using items, multiple items or finding new purpose for them. Recycle, converting waste material into new products which helps to save energy and raw materials.
Nandini, I am from 8th standard. So I am explaining about biogas and how it is formed and how it is useful to us. So we know biogas is a natural resource generated from the natural renewable resources like animal waste, human waste and other waste also. We can generate biogas from this process. We can generate the biogas from natural resources like cow dung, animal waste, plant waste and human waste. If collect the animal waste or cow dung in one syringe and convert it into a liquid, and this liquid will send to inlet pipe, and inlet pipe is connected to inlet tank and sent to mixing tank. Mixing tank is converting that biogas and sending from gas controller. We can use this biogas for cooking and electricity also. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. My name is Pratibha. I am from 8th class. My topic is about crop protection. My project is about crop protection from animals
Like when animals will be under the crop, he will be given to the science. 5 words. 9 words.
and my topic is water cycle. Solid form. Water exit in has water ice in solid state. Liquid form. Water exit in rivers, oceans and lakes. Gaseous form. Water exit in as water vapor in air. Now my friend Janvi explain about change into a water vapor condensation process where water vapor turns back into a water cycle. Continuously movement of water throughout evaporation, condensation and rain. Thank you.
Sarvika, I am from 7th standard. Today I am going to explain about solar power irrigation system, also known as solar irrigation. It is a modern and eco-friendly method to water crops using energy from the sun. India is an agricultural country, so many farmers use electricity or diesel to run water pumps. However, the electricity supply is often irregular, the diesel is expensive. This creates problems to farmers. Solar power irrigation is a smart solution to these challenges. Solar power irrigation uses solar panels which convert sunlight into electricity, which help to run water pumps to supply water to crops. This reduces uses of diesel and electricity and saves money for farmers, and it is environmental friendly. Thank you, sir.
Stop from 7th standard. Today I am going to explain about healthy food. It helps our body to get energy. Here are some examples of healthy food. Fruits, badam, egg, milk. Fruits contains proteins, vitamins, fibers and etc. Badam contains proteins and fat. Milk contains proteins and fat. Milk contains carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And healthy body contains carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, proteins and fibers which keep our body healthy. Now my friend Varshit from 7th standard going to explain about bad food. Good morning sir, my name is Varshit. I am studying in 7th standard. Today's topic about bad food. While eating bad food may causes many diseases, unhealthy tired.
Now my friend Vamsi explaining about bad food examples. Good morning sir, my name is Vamsi. I am studying in 7th standard. Here are some examples of bad food. Biscuit, ice cream, chocolate, snacks, mixture. If we eat this junk food, we feel the system will lead into constitution. Constitution means uneven movement of ball. Thank you.
You show that.
Good morning, sir. Myself, I am from 8th standard. Our topic is satellite communication. Satellite communication is the artificial satellite orbit of the Earth, facilitate the telecommunication, television, phones and radios, internet connections.
This is Chandra from 8th standard. For example, India used the INSAT system including the satellite like CMS Connect Management System, which is the largest in the Asian Pacific Oceans.
Function. They act as a repair station in space. Application of the processing scales to control the location.
Connections. They're connected by wire or they're connected by... No. Okay. Abhi? Right.
I am explaining about effects of air pollution. Our air is full of air pollution. Because of air pollution, the trees are affecting, the animals are dying, humans are affecting. Because of air pollution, the humans are getting coughing, throat irritation and lungs inflammation. We have to prevent the air pollution very quickly. Good morning, sir. My name is Kitisha. I am from 8th class. Today my project about types of agriculture. Types of agriculture. The soil examined. The farmers are decided.
Hello and my name is Ram. My topic is Chandrayaan 3 is India's history successful lunar mission launched on August 23, 2023. It is actually one of the first smooth landing near the South Pole. It is launched on 14, 2023 in Satish Dhawan Space Center. It is landed on 2023 near the South Pole.
The goal of Chandrayaan 3 is safe, soft landing, roaming on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan 3 made India the fourth country to land on the moon and first reached to southern polar region to explore the region of South Pole Moon. Thank you.
Sir.
Great, coming.
Good morning, sir. My name is Hannah. I am from 7th. And earthquake alarm is an warning system that alerts people when an earthquake is happening or outside itself. People to take safety actions quickly. It works by playing the series source in ground.
What is this? What is this component?
Magnetic, sir. Magnetic. When the earthquake will be there, get sound. We are getting sound.
After detecting the previous should be the system quickly sends a warning through mobile phone, siren, TV and radio. It is important to move to a safe place to shoot gas lines to protect the students in school. When alarm sound gone, we should drop to the ground.
and I am from 387. Today my topic is on periscope. A periscope is a new lens and to see the hidden objects in the other corners. Users, the submarine will use this to find the locations. Trencher welfare. The soldiers use these trenches to trench periscope to look out the top of the trenches. Thank you, sir.
I should see here.
వస్తలేదా కనిపించట్లేదు
Safe? Safe? Okay, what's your name? Sharad.
ఆగకుండా షారూన్ రత్నాకర్ అని చెప్పి
Tell me.
షారూన్ గారు ఎయిత్
What is inside? What is inside it? आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ हिंदी में बोलो हाँ ठीक है हाँ ओके लावा लावा है ना लावा दैट्स ओके
पानी लाते हैं? जरा पानी डालो.
టైం అయిపోతుంది తర్వాత కంప్లీట్ చేసేది అయిపోతుంది కొంచెం మంచి మంచి చూపించి పంపించారు చాలా లేట్ అవుతుంది పంపించారు ఇది ఒక్కటి చూపించేసి ప్రాణాలను తీసుకుంటారు కప్పులు ఉన్నాయి కదా కప్పులు
गुड गुड आ गया.
సరే రండి సార్
Pleasant morning, sir. Welcome to the Science Expo of our Lord's Group of Schools. Today, we, the 9th class students, are going to present a working model on rainwater minimizing system. It is nothing but rainwater harvesting system. Save the silver drops today and reap the rewards in the future. Rainwater harvesting system is nothing but collecting the water from the rainfall and storing it, purifying and using in our daily life. By this process, we can save the water and we can minimize the usage of water. Now let us take the brief explanation of rainwater system. When the rain falls on the rooftop of our home or any surfaces of our area, the water purifies in the purified system and it can supply in which we can use in our daily life. The next step is when we collect the water from all rooftops, then we purify in the purifier, then the water purifies the impurities, solids and other waste material, then we store into the tanks or purifiers. We can connect the pipes for passing the water from purified tanks for all the homes in a society. And as well as this water will use crop irrigation system and this water we can use this water for car washing center, so the water will be not wasted. This is the rainwater minimizing system. Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. My name is Bhavya. My topic is water fertilization. This process is called pure water. Water fertilization is the must used in factory also. In this process we use stones, sand, cotton, pebbles also. Thank you, sir. Larger particles, stones, pebbles, smallest particles, sand, cotton. This is
Who is made all this? Bronze made. Sure. Very good. What is this? Red color panel?
Factory based system. Factory based water, they will use it to the food effect. You will use it to the agriculture purpose.
Hydroponics.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Tarun from grade 7.
Good morning, sir. My name is Nagarjuna from 7th class.
Today we are talking about hydroponics. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants with the water is known as hydroponics. Instead of soil, the plant will get the all nutrition from the water.
Common crops grown in this way like spinach, tomatoes, strawberries, etc. It is used in home garden, urban farming and greenhouses. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Tarun. Okay, very good.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sanjay. I am from 7th class. My topic is about physical change and chemical change. Physical change means which are not form new substances, only shapes, alters structure. For example, this is a rubber. If we touch this rubber, no new substances are not formed. So this is a physical change. This is a pencil. If we broke this pencil, any new substances are not formed. So this is a physical change. This is a candle. In this candle, this is wick. If we burn this wick, any new substances are not formed. So this is a physical change. Chemical change. Chemical change means new substances is formed. Rusting of lead produce. Rusting of lead. Rust produce. New substances is called chemicals. Burning of matches produce ash and smoke is a chemical change. Burning of paper produce ash and smoke. No new substances is formed. It's called chemical change. Slow.
Easy.
Good morning, sir. My name is Gautam Raju. I am studying in 8B. Today's topic is Robotica. This waste is best because we made it with the waste. It's going to pick up the objects like bottle and some